made of silver and gray, chasing a sun that keeps slipping away. The ground beneath me is soaked in pain, but still I dream. I set fire to the rain, set fire, set fire to the rain. Let it burn, let it cleanse every chain. Set fire, dancing alone. The rhythm's off since you've been gone. Moonlight whispers, but it don't shine. Even the stars are out of line. I'm searching high, I'm searching low. Where did the light of the summer go? Un verano sin ti. Feels like a bird without its tree. Un verano sin ti. No echo, no heartbeat, no harmony. Ladeka sings, but it sounds so far. Like chasing shadows, like chasing stars. Roots grow deep, but the earth feels dry. I call your name, but get no reply. Heavy hearts can sink the boat, but the tide will always float. The weight of yesterday, let it go. Hear the river hum. It's calling everyone. Water under the bridge, my friend. Flowing, flowing away. Wash the sorrow, let it mend. Oh, oh, oh. Shadows fade in the morning light, lost in the current out of sight. Every tear becomes a drop of mine. Feel the rhythm sway. It's a brand new day. Water under the bridge, my friend. Flowing, secrets to the tide below. Stars blink stories only dreamers know. I'm a wanderer, a seeker, a soul adrift. Through the haze of time, I catch a glimpse. Is it the wind or my heartbeat's drum? sacred thing. I close my eyes, I feel the sound. This is my home, my sacred ground. raindrops whisper secrets the wind can't say, but in the tears I find the light, a healing flame burning bright. Every time I cry, I feel the earth sigh. Every time I cry, I see the clouds fly. Oh, every time I cry, my soul reaches high. The river flows where my sorrow grows, washing pain down where the wild grass shows. And still the sun waits for the bloom to know. Through the shadows comes the day. The roots grow strong in the clay. Every time I cry, I feel the earth sigh. Every time I cry, I see the clouds fly. Oh, every time I cry, my soul reaches the sun spills gold on the ocean wide. A rhythm whispers where my soul can hide. Each wave a prayer rolling deep inside. I hear the wind hum soft and kind. It sings of peace I long to find. Heaven on my mind. Every step, every sigh. Heaven on my mind. A love so divine. The trees sway slow like they've got no care. Roots hold the earth, the strength they share. I feel it falls low, I hear the call. Through the wind and the waves, it says it all. A rhythm deep, like the ocean floor. Oh, my heart goes. Oh, my heart knows. My heart goes boom, boom. Through the night and the gloom. Boom, boom. Chasing light through the room. Boom, boom. Every beat it consumes. The stars, they hum in a quiet tune. The moon, she sways and whispers soon. My soul, it dances to the unseen drum. Oh, my heart goes. Oh, my heart grows. My heart goes boom, boom. Through the night and the gloom. Boom, boom. Chasing light through the room. Boom, boom. Every beat it consumes. When the storm rolls in, so heavy and wide, and the shadows stretch where the sun should hide, I'll be your light, I'll be your guide. Through the thunder, through the rain, through the joy and through the pain, I'll be there for you. and the stars sang my name. This is the last time, the last time I'll roam. This is the last time, the last time I'll roam. shadows creep, but they leave no room for the chains, for the chains I broke. Eyes wide open, heart still bruised, walking free, but I've paid my dues. I'll take you down the road. I'll take you to hell to set you free, where the truth cuts deep like the open sea. I'll take you to hell, don't be afraid. Through the dark we'll find the day. I'm divine. when the sky turned gray. Barefoot on the earth where the old roots lay. Laughter was the wind, carried us away. When we were young, oh, life was a song. When we were young, we could do no wrong. The world in our hands, so free, so strong. The sun kissed the sea as the evening fell. Dreams in our eyes, we had stories to tell. The stars lit our path, cast their magic spell. Do you feel it still? The rhythm of time, the heartbeat of you, the sweetest rhyme. When we were young, oh, life was a song. When we were young, we could do no wrong. The world in our hands, so free, so strong. Echoes of Zion calling us home. The roots of our spirit, where we've always grown. Timeless and true, like the seeds we've sown.